Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. So this is the introduction to the kit I'm going to build for the Halloween group build. This is the group build that I'm hosting. Hopefully a lot of you guys can join. I do have a list. It will be in the description below of everybody who I know is participating in it. If you are, please comment in the comments and let me know that you are, because I don't want to miss anybody. I am going to have a playlist of everybody, at least everybody who I can get. I'm going to have their videos in the playlist, so that way people don't miss anybody else's builds. They can just check that playlist and see if they've seen everybody. Remember, it starts September 25th, and anything Halloween. If you look at the introduction video, it'll have all the rules on there. Not really many. I just would like everything to have some kind of theme towards Halloween. The guys who have showed what they are building this year are really cool kits. So I'm really glad that this is going on and that everybody can join that I've seen so far, because it's going to be a lot of fun to build a Halloween group build with you guys. So let's look at the kit that I am going to do. It is the Atlantis Kit, the Phantom of the Opera. I don't think this one's been re-released too long, so it's relatively easy to get this one. And I can't remember who originally made it, but it is a fun, pretty cool kit. And let's take a look. So the box art, made in the USA, which is pretty cool. I think they're trying to do that a lot. They do have a scale rating on it, and it's 1/8 scale. And then the rest of the box art is the same. So I did you guys the favor taking everything out of the bags. So it is just a lot of plastic styrene right now. But here is one of the legs and one of the arms of the Phantom, and over there on this side here is the arm of the guy who's locked away. He's got a hell of a gash right there. So you get some nice bloody paint and put on there. That looks pretty cool. Next tree is his back, the other side of that arm that fell off, and another leg, and probably another arm piece. Here is the dungeon window. Some cool brick detail, a little tiny bit of flash. The front is chest piece. Not too bad on the flash, just a little bit. The Phantom mask, his shoes, his face, head and back, and one of his hands. Let's see if we can capture the detail on his hands. They're pretty good. Got some nice veins showing and everything. Man, scary. Got a mouse. Looks like a ribbon or bow of some kind. And a thumb. And I don't know what that is, if that's a part. It does have a part number, so it is a part. It looks like a rope of a cord or something. We'll find that out in the build. This tree is pretty beat up. Looks like a rock, hand, and probably the floor detail. Another mouse. Needs a lot of cleanup on that one. Oh, the baby mouse compared to the other ones. The cape, it has two different textures on it. It has a smooth texture and then up on top it has maybe even 3 different textures, so it might be 3 different colors. The collar has a different texture than that part there. It might be like a hood part. And here is the main base, some rocks. Got the name on it, the Phantom of the Opera. Now this is scary here. Let's see if I can get this zoomed in real well. Look at that. So there's a little bit of plastic where his mouth is. We'll cut that out or so. Maybe paint it. Maybe I won't cut it out. Maybe I'll just paint it. We'll look at it. But yeah, that's got a lot of nice texture that can be brought out with some washes and dry brushing. The eyes are raised up, so that would be easy to make it look nice and clean. So I'm pretty happy with the way that looks. And we have an arm that fell off. Whoa. Let's see, where am I at? The other side of the arm. And another rock. And then it's nice that the rocks are separated because you can paint those so they look like different color rocks that you'd see in nature. Now this kit, they do mold it in glow in the dark. They give you one tree, glow in the dark. And this is that scary face from before. It's a little hard to see in this light. And it does glow in the dark pretty darn good. You can see it. And then the other glow in the dark pieces is there's another head, some glow in the dark mice, some hands, that bow, the thumb, and then the hands at the bar. So a little bit of flash. I'm sure that Classix probably actually molds a little differently. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you can, please join the build. If not, please enjoy and watch everybody's builds. There's a lot of builds going on, but there's only one time to do a Halloween group build, and that's during Halloween. So I hope you guys have a great one. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.